Hello guys, welcome back. So we are in FIST integrations and so so we were doing testing in previous session again. So what we have done, we have created like a sales order and delivery was posted. But when we were posting the customer invoice, so at the time of posting this, we were facing issues, right? Now, so delivery document like it was getting saved, but accounting entry was not getting generated, and that was related to somewhere account assignment. It was not related to, in the sense, issue was not there in account assignment, guys. Issue was there from certain configurations that too from SD side only. Okay, so in the sense, like people made lots of experiment in that. Now, if we talk about okay, so generally what is happening? So first of all, we have to create sales order that is done, then delivery, and then billing. Billing means invoice, customer invoice. Now, so for that we have to use VA01, here VL01N, and here VF01, and then VF02. So VF01 means we have to save it, and VF02 means we have to release this for accounting. Now, generally what happened? So now what I have to do, go to MB52, and yesterday I tested. So some of the goods are already gone. So how many are there? Total 8. Okay. So we'll do one thing. Now it was 20. I think in testing remainings are gone. It's okay, no issues. So now, so this time what is happening? Now let's have a look. So if you go to VK, where we have to assign the GL account, guys, VKOA. Okay, these are the things. Okay, now here there were two more settings which was done by other people, and they made lots of experiments. So that is why I removed it, because the configurations, in the sense, lots of things are there. Some unwanted things are also there. So now I removed. So generally what happened? These are the standard which is given by SAP, standard table. Okay, standard table 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And these are the things given by SAP. If you talk about the sequence, this general must be having the fifth number, and this should be at fourth number. As for me, generally, general means it is not having any combination simply, right? And here we are having a count key. Okay, so now this should be at the fourth number, and this should be at fifth number. Anyway, now, so here, so against these combinations only we have to assign the GL as per the requirement. Requirement in the sense, as per the situation, as per the conditions. And even if it is required, then we can increase the combinations. Combinations means, let's suppose here, this is customer group, material group, account key. Okay. In that, Client is saying that kindly add plant also. That can be added. Who will add this? It will be added with the help of SD consultant, right? Because these all configurations, if we talk about the configurations related to. So what is happening, guys? How it is going to be added? So generally, there will be a setting called access sequence. Okay, access sequence. Keep in your mind because sometimes what happen, even though this is a core configuration of SD module, but still I have seen sometimes people ask, what do you mean by access sequence? Right? What do you mean by access sequence? So guys, whatever these combinations are appearing here, right? Customer group, material group, account key, customer group, account key, material group, account key, general account key. This like here, first of all, the smaller combinations are there. Then here combinations are increased. Here also it is, and then here more combinations are there. If you want to create again like a different different tables are there, right? So if you want to keep a different combinations or if you have to increase the combinations, it's okay. We have to set up a different access sequence for that. See, this is if you talk about, okay, let me check it once, guys. So, and not only access sequence, guys, even lots of configurations are there, which is coming from SD side. And again, it is not possible to explain in details because, as I said earlier, that again we have to go deep into SD module, right? So simply, I have seen like sometimes people says, what do you mean by access sequence, right? So access sequence means you have to say whichever combinations appears in VKOA while assigning this GL account. If we talk about revenue account, so revenue account is assigned against certain combinations in VKOA, right? So those combinations are controlled by access sequence. We can increase or decrease these combinations with the help of access sequence. That's what you can say, right? This is sales and distributions. So here, okay, look at here, guys. The sales or distribution also huge and huge things are there. I think we have to come here. Basic functions, account assignments here, revenue account determinations. So here you'll be having somewhere. Yeah, here define access sequence and account determinations types. Okay, double click here. Access sequence, maintain access sequence. Okay, these are created by somebody and these are the standards. So let's suppose KOFI is being used for FI, guys. So select this KOFI and double click on access. So look at here, these are the combinations, right? These are the combinations. If you want to add another combinations, that can be added, right? If you want to set up a new, that can be set up. So now here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, isn't it? So can we make this one itself as a 6? Account key is 4. Can we make this as a 6 also? 50. Press enter. So our entry already exists with the same key. So okay, noises. So now you have to click on new entry and we can set up a new. Actually, I wanted to move here to change this one. But anyway, now so look at here. If you select anyone in that multiple fields means look at here. These are the fields. sales organization account assignment group, and here this is like customer account assignment group, this is material account assignment group, and this is the account key. Okay, so if you talk about here, here, right? So in this, now look at here. Okay, so account assignment group, right? These things, chart of account. Okay, what about sales organizations, guys? Is it missing here? Now let me do one thing. Chart of account sales organizations. Here it is. So somebody has changed this settings also, right? Somebody has made the change the settings here. Sales organizations, account assignment group, and chart of account. Chart of account. See, these three will be common, and here sales of account, account assignment group, and account key. That's fine. This is like uh, material account assignment group. So here also sales organization account assignment group. This is material account assignment group, and here we are having all three combinations. All combinations supposed to be okay. So it means someone has made the experiment here also. What I'll do, I'll just do what BKOA. Look at here, multiple experiment has been done by people. These all are done by SD people only, guys. Okay, so this is the combinations here, and so if you go to SPRO here, sales and distribution, basic functions, and then here in basic functions, what is happening? Yes, here revenue account determinations, and here we are having access sequence. So in access sequence, let's suppose this is the standard customer material and account key, right? So if I select this one, sales organization, account assignment group, and account key. Same combination here also, right? But generally what happening, this sales organization is not appearing. Sales organization is not appearing here. Only chart of account is appearing. So it means somebody has made some experiment. Right? This is table one. Table one means define account determinations. This is fine. Condition type QAFI, that is again. Now, so check master data. If you talk about here, maintain account assignment group. This is okay. This is having logic. I'll explain. Not worry. Mutual account assignment group, customer account assignment group. Define dependency on account. Okay, table one. Now, so this table one is having sales organizations account assignment group, right? Okay. And apart from this, if you want to increase again, you can double click here. I think then this in the sense we have to add this one also plant. If you want to add, you can. I think in this one it is not possible, but if you create a new one, then we can add. Now I think here we can make the changes, right? But this is not possible, guys, because it is talking about access sequence. Access sequence means again, this is like this is a key which is given to the technical consultant only. Okay, so there'll be some maybe different formula or different something. Okay, no issues. Field catalog. Let me check. Somewhere they might have done some experiment. WikiORG. Okay, here we can create the table. In the sense, okay, so one thing is there, guys. Now, if someone has to edit, right, for that asking, it is asking access sequence. So I don't know, somebody has made the changes, how somebody has made the changes, of course, like without having this, what to say, okay, so without having this access key, it is not possible, right? But still, so now here everything is fine only. I don't know why sales organization is missing and what changes they have made. Define access sequence, that is already seen, we have seen. And this is okay, this is account determination procedure. Okay, define account key in the sense ERL, ERF, these are called account key. Anyway, no issues. So will whatever the available combination is there in that itself, we will assign our GL account. Now, okay. So this is the combinations right now we are having, right? It's okay, no issues. So whatever, so these are the combinations against which we can assign the GL account, and these combinations where it is, how it is getting controlled, guys. These combinations can be, if you have to increase or decrease the combinations and all, this is possible with the help of access sequence, guys. Okay, access sequence control these things, right? Now, in access sequence, requirement 3. So we have here procedure. That is a different. Okay, this is fine. Assign this procedure. Everything is fine. So this should appear, but again, so somewhere something has been done, guys. It's like the fields are like it's fine only. Okay, we'll check it. Anyway, I get the time now. So, so let me do one thing. This is a different server. So here, VA01, right? And as I said, revenue account determinations, right? So if you talk about revenue account determinations here, generally what happen? These are the different combinations from which system will determine. System will check the GL account one by one, right? So system will check the GL account one by one in the sense what is happening, guys. So it is like from lowest combinations, system will check from lowest combinations, right? From lower side system will check and then system will reach here, isn't it? Now double click here. So I think we have assigned our GL account here because let me keep here V, our condition type KOFI, chart of account. This is already assigned. Let me check. This is already assigned. So let's see whether system is able to trigger this one or not. So here itself we have assigned the GL account, guys, and in these things against account key we assigned earlier, but later I have deleted. Okay, later I have deleted. So our GL account is assigned against these combinations only. So what I'll do, first of all, create a sales order. So order type OR. Now here your sales organizations, distribution channel, division, give your customer number, date, material code and a particular quantity. Now I'm going to give one quantity. Okay. Now you can check the incompletion log here. So 1010526. Now go to VL01 and here click on picking tab and this one quantity will be picked and post goods issue. This is posted, right? So anyway, the accounting entry and these all things. If you check here somewhere. Here itself, na? Yeah. So here it is. Now we have to go to, so our like, what is this one guys? Delivery document number. So delivery document number is this one, right? So 18154. I'll just do one thing. Go to VF01 and this time let's see. Okay. So system is able to. What is happening? What happened, guys? Is it like? So can I go to VF01 once again? If I press enter, processing of this one. It is getting processed. Now this is fine. Yeah. And what about this screen? I think this is hanged. It's okay, noises. So account determination, revenue account. First of all, you post it. Okay, so no accounting document generated. It's okay. What you have to go. What you have to do? Go to VF02. This is here. Now you have to. So right now, accounting document is not generated. Is currently being processed. Just click here. Release to accounting. Now, why it is currently being processed here? Now what is the issue? What I'll do? Slash and ex. Error is taking place now. Go to VF02 and this is the, I click here Okay. No GL, no GL, no GL, no GL. Why no GL? So click on release. Now it was saved, but error in account determinations. So now error in account determinations, guys, what we have to do, I'll just do one thing. General. Okay, this is the correct sequence actually. This is the correct sequence. Now general then account key. So what is happening? I will just do one thing. Let me come out from this one. Okay. So here system is not able to trigger the array. I did. I was supposed to exit from this one. Okay. So here, if you talk about VF02, this is our billing document. Okay. And we are not able to release this because system is not able to determine the GL account. Why? Because if you talk about this one, now look at here for this accounting document, for this billing document, if you click here, revenue account determinations. So these are the combinations, guys. These are the combinations. This is the highest level and this is the lowest level. So here, when you talk about highest level, we have assigned the GL account against this one only, right? So we have assigned the GL account. What is like my this one analysis? Because if we talk about this level, system is checking these details, right? System is checking chart of account, system is checking sales organizations, customer account assignment group, material account assignment group. This is customer and this is material, and then account key. And against this combination, if the GL account is assigned, then only system will trigger the GL account. So now what is happening, guys? System is unable to trigger the GL account because this combinations sales organization is missing. When we have assigned the GL account here, sales organization is not appearing. Again, as I said, like experiment is already made by someone. Right? That is the reason. So that is the reason it is not appearing. Now, so again, we have to bring it back, right? Now, so that is the reason. So what I'm going to do, I'll just do one thing. And if we talk about the lowest level, it is starting from here. This is the lowest level, general, then account key, and then. So lowest level means, say for example, this general, double click here. If there is only one sales revenue account itself is there, no discount, no freight, no other, simply one GL account itself, if it is there, then simply we can assign the GL account here against our chart of account and sales organization combinations. Just do one thing here. You can give COA5, your chart of account COA 8 and sales organizations TM08 and revenue account. And save it. Right. So if we have given here the GL account, now what will happen? Come back. And now you click on release to accounting. Let's see. Look at here. this one is saved. It means if you click here, now SAP is able to trigger the GL account, right? Or else if you come here, click here on accounting, now accounting entry is generated. Okay, so how SAP is able to trigger the GL account, guys? So as I said, SAP will check from lowest level. Now you click here, revenue account determinations, and these are the five options we are having, tables you can say, right? Okay, this is like here, no GL account found. Why? Because even though we have assigned the GL account, but the combination in the sense sales organizations is missing, right? So that is why. So as I said here, system will check from bottom side, right? So that is why here, even though we have assigned the GL account, but again, earlier also system was not able to determine the GL account because out of these combinations, sales organization is missing and that field itself is not available. It is not appearing over there, right? We have to make some configurational changes somewhere in SD that I have to again explore, right? Because every time again, see if any error is there, and that too from SD side. So it takes too much time to find out the solution, guys. Now, so here against this combination also, no GL found because we haven't assigned the GL account. Here also we haven't assigned the GL account. So system is not from this way, system will check from this way. So here itself system is able to find the GL account, right? Now, account key. Uh, Account key means what is the use of account key, guys? Now, while posting the invoice, let's suppose there are certain, here simply we are testing in a very simple way. Or is generally what happen, guys, multiple accounts will be coming into picture. Let's suppose like of course revenue account is there, right? The revenue account. If any freight charges are there, right? And freight supposed to be posted separately, then freight account will be coming into picture, right? If there is any kind of what to say discount and other things are there, let's suppose, so that GL also will be coming into picture, right? So different GL accounts will be coming into picture, right? Will come into picture. So now generally what is happening, guys? So how SAP will be able to trigger this revenue account separately, freight account separately, discount account separately, right? So for that, what is happening in that case? If different GL accounts are there, in that case, instead of here, now delete these combinations. Now this is not required. Instead of that, we can assign our GL account here against account key. So in account key, what is happening, guys? You'll be having options here. Chart of account is ERL here, and then likewise again, if you have any freight related things and all, then what is happening, guys? For freight, I think ERF is the this one. ERF, yes, ERF is the account key, right? So different account keys are there, but again, we are going to make it simple here. So now in this combinations, let's suppose I saved it now. So again, this time what is happening, guys? This time, so in general, we have not given the account in the sense GL account is not there. Where is the GL account? Against this combination GL account. So system will be able to trigger here. So for revenue account determination, what happened? Whenever, okay, now go to VL01 and so here you have to give secret point, press enter and then pick in this one quantity. The delivery is done, is posted, and then 8155, right? Go to VF01, just save this VF01, just save it, and this 225, go to VF02, go to VF02, and this one you have to release to accounting. Right now, there is no accounting entry, right? If you talk about the revenue account determinations, then look at here, guys. Now, in revenue account determinations, no account, no account, no account, and here system will be able to trigger the GL account. Right now, once you release to the accounting, then here itself system will be able to trigger the GL account, and that is why what is happening, guys. So now what is happening? So here, okay, wait. I made a mistake actually. I made a mistake, guys. What I'll do? Okay, so this time I'll just do one thing. I made a mistake actually. Okay, I just released to accounting. Okay, it is. This one has been saved. Okay, now what I have to do here, we have given against account key, and then in general also what I'll do, copy, and here chart of account, give your chart of account here also, and your 3000. So now what is happening, guys? So you have to now answer. So I have assigned my GL account where against account key also and against general also, right? I have assigned my GL account against this account key also and against this general also. Okay. So now, so out of these two, again in these two we have assigned. Now let's see what is happening. So system is able to trigger the GL account from here or here, right? Okay. So this is what the sequence. We have given the account here in account key also and here also, right? General also and here also. This is the previous document number which was triggered here, right? Because I have given. So this is the, like, this is first one means the upper side and this is the lower side, right? So from upper to lower or lower to upper, how system is able to check the GL account, that we have to see. I said like lower to upper. No, I think so. I'll just ask a question here. Let's see. Let me make the experiment here. Go to VA01 once again, and this time our account is there in both here also and here also. Now just give the number here, sold party, give a date, enter your material, quantity, Everything is fine. Save it. So 5 to 8, right? Now go to VL01N, VL01N, and here. So now, okay, just give me one. So here picking quantity is 1, and so just PGI post goods issues. Okay, this document was saved. That's fine. Now here, so if you go to VF01, sorry, VF01, there is the document now. Okay, 2 to 6. Now VF02. So here we have to check, guys. Now in VF02, so look at here. Now, if you talk about like release to accounting, in the sense this is going to be posted. Now let's have a look here. Where system is able to find the GL account, right? Where system is, now look at here. This is the first document. This is the first document. In first document, what is happening, guys? System is able to trigger the GL account here, right? In general, this is the lowest one, and remaining system is not able to find. Why? Because we have assigned our GL account here. Try to understand in which sequence system is going to check, upper to lower or lower to upper. That you have to answer now. So look at here, the first one we have assigned in general and system was able to find out here in general. In second one, what I have done, in second, I have assigned in general and account key both. So system is able to trigger here. System has ignored general. So what is your what is a conclusion, guys? System is able to, how system is checking the GL account from upper side to lower side, in the sense from more combinations to less combinations or less combinations to more combinations. Anyone? Any answer? Only two candidates. Chalo. So it's pretty simple, guys. If you have a look, see, this is the, in general we don't have, we have least combinations. Least combinations means simply chart of account, and this is your sales organizations, right? Least combinations. Then here general account key means, the look at here, the number of combination is increased. Number of combination is increased, right? And then here again number of combination is increased here, right? So what is happening in the sense priority wise? So now here this one will get the first priority. This one will get the second priority, third priority, fourth priority, and fifth priority. Now here what is happening? Since we have assigned the GL account only against this general, in the sense in the first testing, what we have done, we have not given any combination, simply sales organization and chart of account was given. So what happened? Sales organization and chart of account was given. In that case, what happened, guys? System is able to trigger the GL account assigned here. In this one, we have assigned the GL account against what? We have assigned the GL account against this general also and account key also, right? So here what is happening? Look at here the sequence. General here and account key here. At fourth number account key and then general. So now what is happening, guys? System is able to trigger the GL account here in account key itself. So general is missing. Why? General is missing because no need to go. In account key itself, system is able to find out the GL account. So no need to check the general. It means system is checking from upper side, in the sense from more combination to less combinations. Okay, that is what actually whatever the previous explanation was there, kindly ignore that. I was also a bit confused. So, or you can say forgotten. So now here, in this case also, system is going to check from here. Is it there? System could not find the GL account against this combination. We have not assigned GL account against this combination. We have not assigned GL account against this combination also. We have not assigned GL account against this combination also. We have assigned the GL account against this combinations, and that is why system was able to trigger the GL account here. But in the scenario number two, I have assigned the GL account in account key also and general also. So what is happening? The moment system has reached here in account key, here itself system was able to find out the GL account. So no need to move out here in general. GL account we have assigned in both. Here itself system is able to trigger the GL account. That is why no need to come here, and that is why here what is happening? You won't be finding general here. Simply till account key itself, till here itself system is able to determine the GL account, and this is how what is happening. General is missing here. Why? Because here system is able to trigger. So now if we talk about this release to accounting, yes, document is saved. Now accounting document is generated. So system is able to trigger the accounting entry, and this revenue recognitions, revenue account determination is happening from where? From VKOA. In VKOA, what is happening, guys? We are having multiple. We are having in VKOA, we are having multiple combinations, right? Against those combinations, based on the situation, based on the scenario, we have to assign the GL account. Okay. Now, what is the situation? What is the situation? What is the conditions to choose this? So again, it depends upon the requirement. Okay, what could be the possible requirement like this customer account assignment group or material account assignment group? So how a proper answer will be given here again in next session? What I'll do, I'll add two, three conditions, guys, and then based on that, we'll check how system is able to determine the GL account. So here generally what is happening? If somebody asks like how system is able to trigger the GL account in FISD integrations, so what we have to say, of course, it is coming from VKOA itself, but in VKOA, multiple combinations are there. Against those combinations, we have to assign the GL account, right? Based on the requirement, we have to choose the combinations, and system will be able to pick the GL account from there. Okay. Again, look at here, multiple things are coming into picture. So let me cover, like one or two other conditions are there that I'll cover, and then I'll quote a final, what to say, answer that what you guys have to say in order to automatic amount determinations here from SD side. Okay. Now, one thing is there, if you guys are making a note, then what I said, access sequence. What is the use of access sequence, guys? So whatever this field combinations appears in VKOA, that is controlled by access sequence itself. Look at here, whatever these combinations are appearing here in VKOA, like customer account assignment group, material account assignment group, right? Or it's like chart of account will be by default, sales organizations, right? So account key, so different combinations are appearing. These field combinations will be, you can simply say that whichever field combinations are appearing in VKOA, those combinations will be controlled by access sequence. Okay. In next session, once again, I'll just explain some certain situations, certain conditions by like when we have to select, when we are supposed to select three, when we are supposed to select two, when we are supposed to select one. Generally, this will be decided by SD, but still some little bit idea. If you guys are also happy, then it's better. Like you'll be feeling more comfortable to answer the question, right? Because if we talk about integrations here, so FISD is having more confusion compared to FIMM. Of course, if I have given multiple scenario also, so you guys have spent more time on that, and that is why it will be like compared to FISD, that is more comfortable. But here, FISD is having less comfort because confusions will be there, and the confusion is there only, or else like overall, if you talk about the integrations, the confusions will be there to the candidates. Why? Because you are not the expert of SD, you are not the expert of MM, and here multiple steps are coming from MM side, multiple steps are coming from SD side. So see, if you talk about like I'm able to visualize lots of things because some of the configurations, even I know from SD side also, some of the configurations I know from MM side also. I know the logic also, right? I cannot say like I'm the expert of MM, I'm expert of SD because this is not my what to say area of expertise and all. But still, since I have spent lots of time, so I know something, right? So that is why the way I'm able to understand the things in that way, you guys, of course, you are new to this, but slowly, slowly, once the experience is increased, you guys are also going to be comfortable on this. But right now, you must be having at least such kind of grip so that you guys will be able to answer the questions comfortable with comfort, this one. So in next session, what I'll do, I'll explain some more thing here, and then I'll explain what to answer for this automatic accounting dominations.